ice cream tastes really good. Toys and Kiki.
So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna do ice cream scoop,
Ice cream soup.
art,
On
activity.
activity.
So what do we need? We need,
Paper.
yes, let me see. So we printed out these ice cream cone templates. So here are the cones and
The answer.
and the scoops. And then you need any colored paper. What color are these?
Pink and purple.
Pink and purple. These are Kiki's favorite
Colors.
colors. And what else do we need for our art activity? We need
Scissors.
scissors, but what do you want to tell the kids about the scissors?
And not for kids.
They're not for kids. You have to have your,
Crayons.
and she has crayons too.
These
So
are for kids.
yeah. So be careful with the scissors. You have to have your mom or dad or any adults.
Blue.
What's that?
Blue.
Glue, yeah. So we have the
Nice and
crayons.
sticky.
Nice and sticky. And the glue stick. All right. Are you guys ready? I'm just going to cut the ice cream scoops. Ice cream scoops. All right, here it is. This one ice cream scoop. Here are the cut out ice cream scoops. Now the next thing we need to do is we're gonna cut out what are these? The cones. So we're just gonna cut them all out. Just like this. Oops. So we have this. I got one. All right, so here are the ice cream cones. So we have the ice cream cones cut out. And we have the ice cream cones and the ice cream scoops. All right. Yeah. Well, which paper do you want to pick?
It's a purple.
The purple. So now we're gonna stick our ice cream cone. So Kira,
I'm glad that's ice cream cake.
yeah, Kira picked the purple paper. And where's your cone, Kira? Yeah, we're gonna stick that onto this paper. So you're gonna put plenty of glue. Now you stick the cone right on the paper, Kira. But the scoops, the ice cream scoops now.
Oh,
You're gonna choose what flavor do you want your ice cream to be. So what flavor do you want for your first scoop?
strawberry.
Okay, so you're gonna color that. What color do you need? So what color is that?
Pink.
Yes. How many scoops did you put here? Two scoops, and what about over here? Two, and here is my ice cream scoop artwork. I have two scoops too. Right here, so my ice cream flavors are, I have orange and pineapple. What about yours? Let's show them what flavors do you have here. So you have, what's this? Maybe this is green tea flavor. And what's the red one?
Tomato.
Tomato. Wow, interesting. What about this one? Strawberry is the pink one, and the black one is blackberry.
Blackberry.
Yeah, how fun. Yummy. That looks really delicious.
Hey, Kira, your artwork is really good. Guess what? I have something for you. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready for it. Kira, close your eyes. Ta-da! Open your eyes.
So Kira got this from Blippi. The one and only Kinetic sand scents. Made with natural sand. Oh. And ice cream treats, strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. And also scoop and serve. Yeah, so this is what the box looks like. Let's see what's inside the box. What's in the box? Okay. And we got this spoon and some accessories. Here's his scooper. Here is the scooper. And here's the Kinetic sand. So I'm assuming this is chocolate. This is strawberry. And we got another bag of vanilla. Here is the ice cream cone. Wow. And here is... Wow. So let's show them the ice cream flavor. What flavor is this?
Strawberry.
Yeah, let's show them what the texture looks like. See? Oh my gosh. And you smell it, and it really smells like... Smell it. Smell the strawberry. It smells like...
Strawberry. Oh, it's strawberry in there, Mom.
That's okay. And then this one... This smells like... This white one really smells like vanilla.
In there, Mom.
Oh yeah, that's okay. And this one here really smells like chocolate, right? So the scents are really very, very good, right? Okay, so now Kiki is gonna make, what are you gonna make? Ice cream cone? You want to make an ice cream cone for Blippi? Waffle ice cream or sundae?
Sunday.
All right, now you're gonna get your scooper.
With soup.
Let's ask Blippi.
Hi, Kira.
You wanna ask Blippi?
Yeah, with ice cream and Blippi.
I think I want.
Vanilla chocolate.
I think I want 1 scoop of vanilla. Okay. And 1 scoop of strawberry.
It's ice cream, Blippi.
Oh, that smells so good. Thanks, Kiki.
I'm gonna make my ice cream cone myself.
Okay, and what flavor do you want?
Chocolate.
All right. The toppings.
Strawberry.
Okay.
And I want this one.
Okay, show them. Show them your ice cream cone. Yummy.
Hey, Kira. Now, do you want to go to the real ice cream shop and get yourself an ice cream cone?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the magic kaboom. Magic?
Magic. Boom.
Let's see. What do you like?
The
Oh, she wants the cotton candy.
There's ice cream.
What did you get?
An ice cream.
What is the flavor?
Cotton candy.
Yeah.
But this ice cream tastes really good. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Oh.